Shidim Shuri, it is Monday, Feb 24, 2025, the last trading week of February. Wowza. Just like that, we are 2 months into the year already. Okay, let's talk about some Chinese stocks. First up, the big winner, Baba, had one of those suspicious red 52-week high. Actually, it is a 3-year high red candle. But worth pointing out that not all of them resemble. Just like every down 52-week low green candle is a buy signal. Perhaps this is one of the few times that it didn't work as far as TA, right? As always, TA is about higher probability, not guarantee. But we will see. Okay, one day does not make or break TA, alright? So we'll see. Would I chase Baba here? No. If you have it, congratulations. You should raise your stop, trim, do whatever you can to protect your profit. That was a signal. So I'm staying with the signal. BIDU, I did sell put spread last week on red. And I will likely add more on red again. Where? Down here. Okay, I'm selling. Last week I sold 85, 83 or something like that put spread, and I will keep on adding down here in the mid 80 to low 80. I'm surprised that Baba did not lift all boats as far as Chinese stock. I am surprised, but then again, I'm also not surprised. So for me, Baidu, sell spread on dip. Would I buy share outright? Maybe. Down here in the 87 area, right? At the FIB 50 MA confluence. Right now, you got a confluence of the 200, the 100, the 20. So that's a strong support right there. For now. The other big winner in Chinese stock, and I don't have anything, is look at this thing. Look at this. Looking coffee, all mine. It was a great trade 6 months ago down here to buy in the low 20s, high teens, and then off she went. And this is one of the craziest looking candle. Oof. Low 20 to low 30, that's a nasty range. Regardless, it's doing well. It is, for the first time in many years, it has 3 quarters of earning in a row. Okay, you have to understand this stock went through scandal after scandal. Well, I'm wrong. I stand corrected. That was multiple quarters of earning, but they were like nothing, right? $0, zero, barely 16 cents, 8 cents, and look at the last 3 quarters. You got massive, much bigger. You're talking 40 cents, 64 cents, and I believe a big one last week. Now that purple line is the channel, right? So it fell out of the channel, trying to get back in, fail. Trying to get back in, so far fail. So we'll see. We watch it. If it get inside the channel, perhaps it's time to be bullish. I'm going 3 years, 5 years. Okay, this is, yeah, it's I wouldn't rule out getting back in there if it get inside the channel and then prove that it can stay inside the channel. But it has been a long winding road down here, right? Yeah, see this, you see this blank earning here? That was the beginning of the accounting fraud that it went through, and it was a long process of healing. All right, MLCO. I have position. Would I trim? I'm still don't have all the share that I have down here, right? I trim a lot on the way up, went out completely, and then I've been building. I'm about 50% loaded. I would mind another dip into the mid 5.5 range to perhaps go all in back into my full share. I have the order to go full in down here, but for now, if I get anywhere near 5, I might go for it instead of like I might change that order from down here to up there. But yeah, I wouldn't mind going all in on MLCO. Last, a stock I don't trade, but for people that trade the Chinese stock, they might be interested in it. You got NIO. Too bad the other company, the other EV company in China is not, at least I don't think it is, the stock to trade. BIDU, the top selling brand over there, the one that is blowing up and doing so well in Europe, the one that tried to open a plant in Mexico to sell to the US, and President Trump kind of say, no, you're not gonna open a plant in Mexico. BIDU, BYRD, that's the one that's doing really well. NIO, not so much. It's a piece of garbage. It's always been a piece of garbage, and it is garbage as far as the car itself. But look at this chart. There might be a buying opportunity regardless. Okay, let's go back 10 years. Yeah, can you imagine the fever of this stock? Yeah, it's garbage. There was a lot of YouTuber that was touting NIO when Tesla was blowing up during the pandemic. Let's see. Yeah, there is another trend line. Let me go back to 1 year. Let's go back 3 years. Make sure that the line is drawn correctly. Touch, okay. So, give or take, that line right there. If we're going out, so I would say this with NIO. The time to buy is not quite. It can go sideways and even down for a while. Earning is coming up. Okay, earning is coming up. But if there is a pop on earning and they get over this line right here, perhaps that's a breakout. Perhaps multi-year, 10-year breakout. Do I expect NIO to have good earning? The answer is no. It's garbage.